Mount Sinai. A historical and spiritual overview. Mount Sinai, also known as Jebel Musa, holds a significant place in religious history and cultural mythology. Revered in Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, it is famously recognized as the site where Moses received the Ten Commandments from God. This mountain has inspired countless pilgrims, scholars, and adventurers, each drawn to its rich spiritual legacy, stunning landscapes, and complex history. The biblical account of Mount Sinai is primarily found in the book of Exodus. According to tradition, Moses led the Israelites out of slavery in Egypt and journeyed to this sacred mountain. The narrative describes how, after 3 days of preparation, Moses ascended the mountain to commune with God. During this encounter, God provided the Israelites with the Ten Commandments, which would become foundational to Jewish law and ethics. While the exact location of Mount Sinai is debated, it is generally identified with Jebel Musa in the southern part of the Sinai Peninsula. Archaeological evidence suggests that the region has been a site of pilgrimage for centuries. Historical texts and traditions from various cultures point to the significance of this location long before the biblical narrative. For Jews, Mount Sinai represents the moment of divine revelation and the establishment of a covenant between God and the Israelites. The giving of the Torah at Sinai is celebrated during the holiday of Shavuot, which commemorates the receiving of the law. The mountain embodies the relationship between God and His chosen people, marking a pivotal point in Jewish identity and spirituality. In Christianity, Mount Sinai is viewed as a precursor to the new covenant established through Jesus Christ. The Sermon on the Mount, where Jesus expounds on the law, draws parallels to Moses' teachings from Sinai. This connection emphasizes the continuity of divine revelation and the moral imperatives that transcend the ages. Mount Sinai is also significant in Islam, where it is known as Jabal al-Tur. The Quran references Moses' Musa and his encounters with God, highlighting the importance of divine guidance in human affairs. For Muslims, the story of Moses serves as a reminder of faith, perseverance, and the pursuit of justice. Mount Sinai rises to an elevation of 2,285 meters and is characterized by rugged terrain, deep valleys, and stunning vistas. The mountain's rocky slopes are often contrasted with the surrounding desert landscape, creating a dramatic backdrop for spiritual contemplation. Several routes lead to the summit, the most popular being the camel path and the steps of repentance. The camel path is a gentler incline, making it accessible to many pilgrims and tourists, while the steps of repentance, consisting of nearly 3,750 steps carved into the rock, offers a more strenuous ascent. Both paths provide breathtaking views and opportunities for reflection. Mount Sinai attracts thousands of pilgrims and tourists each year, drawn by its religious significance and natural beauty. Many choose to hike to the summit at dawn to witness the sunrise, a mystical experience that evokes a sense of wonder and connection to the divine. The nearby St. Catherine's Monastery, one of the oldest continuously inhabited Christian monasteries in the world, adds to the region's allure. Founded in the 6th century, the monastery houses a rich collection of Christian manuscripts and icons, providing further insight into the historical context of the area. The influence of Mount Sinai extends beyond religious contexts into art, literature, and music. Artists have depicted the mountain in various forms, capturing its imposing presence and spiritual significance. The imagery of Moses descending with the tablets has been a popular subject in paintings, sculptures, and even film. In literature, the themes of revelation, divine law, and human struggle found in the Sinai narrative resonate with authors across centuries. Works exploring the moral implications of the Ten Commandments often reference Sinai as a backdrop for ethical discussions. In contemporary society, Mount Sinai continues to inspire discussions about morality, justice, and human rights. The Ten Commandments are frequently invoked in debates surrounding law and ethics, illustrating their enduring relevance. Scholars, theologians, and social activists often look to the Sinai narrative as a framework for discussing contemporary issues of justice, freedom, and responsibility. As a natural landmark, Mount Sinai faces environmental challenges, including the impact of tourism and climate change. Balancing the influx of visitors with the need for environmental stewardship is crucial in maintaining the mountain's integrity for future generations. For many, a visit to Mount Sinai is a deeply personal journey. The mountain serves as a place of reflection, prayer, and connection to a larger narrative. Whether one is a believer or a seeker, the experience of standing on this ancient ground evokes a sense of awe and reverence. Pilgrims often recount transformative experiences during their ascent or at the summit, where the vastness of the landscape prompts introspection and contemplation. The act of climbing the mountain can be seen as a metaphor for the spiritual journey, symbolizing the struggles and triumphs encountered along the path of faith. Mount Sinai stands as a powerful symbol of faith, revelation, and human aspiration. Its historical, theological, and cultural significance transcends individual belief systems, offering a shared space for reflection and dialogue. The mountain's rugged beauty and spiritual legacy continue to inspire those who seek a deeper understanding of themselves and their place in the world. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, the lessons of Mount Sinai justice, responsibility, and the pursuit of truth remain ever relevant. Whether through pilgrimage, study, or contemplation, the call of Sinai endures, inviting us to explore the profound connections between the divine and the human experience.